So this is the orchard which I have enclosed to keep the goats and sheep away, because we have young trees that have yet to grow and I don't want them to be disturbed as they grow. I don't want the goats and sheep eating the leaves and chewing on the bark, which makes it tough for these apple trees to thrive. But over here in the orchard is also where I free range our chickens. Right here is a coop for our young chicks. I have 24 in there. I have 10 lavender Orpingtons. I have 7 olive eggers. I have a couple of Australorps, Belvederes, and this is the rest of the flock. They just free range here. There are several coops that they roost in at night, including that makeshift dog kennel there that I have turned into a chicken coop as well. So these are kind of where they roost for the night. I have some roosting bars here and there, nesting boxes all over. I also have these mobile coops, but I have some broody hens that have took it upon themselves to be broody here. So I'm gonna let them hatch some eggs. Just do it the natural way. I also have a couple of igloos here, or dog houses, where they also lay. And I have a broody hen here as well that I am allowing to sit on eggs and hatch them. Over on the far end of the orchard, I have my Peking ducks. I have 9 total. That's where they are. That's Francis, a male Peking duck that I adopted from Sonoma, and for a long time he lived with chickens, and it's the first time in years that he's lived with ducks, where they are ducklings, but soon they will be ducks. And that's their swimming feature over there. And while that side is our orchard that I just showed you, this side here is our pasture where we raise our our sheep and goats, our goats and sheep. Okay, and this is where our livestock guardian dogs live too. All right, here we go. Oh, share guys, here we go.